Hello, this is Barry. Welcome to the channel. If you really like what I do here, do me a favor and like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me make this channel grow, which I really like to do this year. I don't have a lot about this guy, but today's grave concerns William H. Reynolds. He was born in March 1835 in Ohio. He joined the 35th Company D Infantry in Illinois around 1861. I couldn't find really any records on him of how long he served, but all I know is he moved back to Ohio, and like I said, he joined around 26 years old. So he was fairly young middle-aged of all the Civil War veterans when he joined. But he moved back to Ohio, and he married a Dorotha Justice in March 1st, 1868, Pickaway, Ohio. She must have been married before because she had a son. They showed in the 1870 census that he had a stepson living with them. So that's all I can tell you about that. I don't think they had any children. And he could read and write. And he filed for a pension on the 14th of June, 1888. He lived to be approximately 75 years old. He died on April 27th, 1910. So that's, I like to try to find more information about people, but that was about all I could find out without, extensive research. But I tell you what, it was really satisfying to clean this stone. As you can see here, that algae was just peeling away. And that's really, if you've never done this, that is a satisfying feeling, watching all that algae just scrape off there. That's a plastic scraper. Don't use any metal when you do this. Don't use bleach. Don't use power washers. I saw someone power washing over Memorial Day weekend, and it just broke my heart to see somebody with a power washer on these stones. The rule of thumb that I like to go by is use soft brushes. If you wouldn't put it on your car, if you wouldn't use it on the hood of your car, don't use it on the stone. And this is D2 biological solution. It has a 0 pH level, which is safe for the stones. It's the stuff they use in Arlington Cemetery. There's other chemicals, but this is the most popular one, and it cleans up pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with the way this was cleaning up. I think I'm getting better. Let me comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. But I think this is one of my best ones so far, and it actually cleaned up fairly well because D2 takes a while to get into the cracks and crevices of the stone to make it shine. But this one cleaned up pretty fast. So my thumbnail should look fairly well. Like I said, Private Reynolds, he lived out in Commercial Point, Ohio, which is farm country even to today. He was a farmer. So this was all farmland out here where he's buried, and like I said, it's still that way today. Now who knows how long. You can see right in the background there, they built a brand new house over there. So yeah, it's coming. They're building. But like I said, I retired. This is very satisfying to me. I've been looking for my life purpose. I don't know if this is it, but I feel like I'm contributing back to society by cleaning up these stones, because that algae gets into that stone and it separates it and causes it to deteriorate. So me cleaning this stone actually is preserving the stone. So I feel like I'm contributing to the longevity of the stone. I'm respecting and honoring the person that I'm doing it for. I get exercise, and it's helping me. So it's a win-win. You know, I don't charge anybody to do this. I do it because I want to. I do it because it gives me satisfaction. I hope you're satisfied just by watching it. Now this is a little bit of like a toothbrush there that gets into the little, I use it to get into the corners. Like I said, all these are standard tools that people use in the stone cleaning. You can get this from Atlas Preservation. It's where I bought these, but there's other places that sell them. And like I said, just a rule of thumb, if you wouldn't put it on the hood of your car, don't use it on the stone. Now this thing will brighten up over time, and I'm going to do another video soon about going back to all the stones and checking them out, you know, like a year later, and seeing how they did, because sometimes right when I do these videos they don't show their full potential right away. It takes a while. Like I said, after you scrub these down, wash it down, the last thing you want to do is apply another coat of D2 or wet and forget, spray it on there, and then let it dry and walk away. And that's it. So I will just shut up and let you watch out the rest of the video. Like I said, please comment and subscribe. I mean, it just makes me feel like I'm not doing these videos. I mean, I still like to clean the stones if I didn't do the videos, but it feels like I'm doing something if you subscribe. So